They call me Sandwich Dad. Hello, sandwich fans. Dad here. Lad's with me too. Hello, Lad. And today we're going to make a turkey sandwich. Basic turkey sandwich. We'll be using some dark rye, which the Loblaws Corporation refers to as pumpernickel bread. I'll use, of course, some turkey, a tomato, some fridge pickled onions, some mayonnaise, some garden lettuce. I have some to spare, after all. And I'm going to try some Wober's Sandwich Pal. Sweet and spicy mustard, sent to me by my friend Patty Truth. Thank you, Patty. The first thing to do when making a turkey sandwich is to resist the urge to toast the bread. Step 2 is mayonnaise on both sides. Next, mustard on only one side. And then, lettuce on both sides. Gotta keep it fresh, don't you know? Little bits of pickled onion. What are you doing in there, boy? Some nice sliced tomato. Salt and pepper, of course. And then the star of our show, some nice deli turkey. That'll do. Now, put the hat on. Now that the hat's on, we can admire that it looks like every sandwich in every commercial ever made. Cut diagonally and reveal. Looks like a sandwich to me. Now the taste test. Turkey sandwich. Is Wober's truly a sandwich pal? Why, yes it is. Delicious turkey sandwiches. Sandwich Dad. Good day.